Unlock affordable global connections with your new Lebara SIM card in the UK. So, you've got your Lebara SIM and you're ready to get connected in the UK. It's super straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step to get you up and running in no time. First things first, let's get the SIM card into your phone. Lebara SIMs come in all standard sizes: standard, micro, or nano, so gently push out the size that fits your device. If you're unsure, check your phone's SIM tray or your phone's manual. Now, locate your phone's SIM card tray. It's usually on the side of your phone. You might need a small SIM ejector tool, or a straightened paperclip can work to eject the tray. And carefully place your Lebara SIM card into the correct slot, making sure it's oriented correctly. Then, slide the tray back in securely. Once your SIM is in, switch on your phone. You'll need to activate your Lebara SIM. The easiest way is to make a call to Lebara's activation number. Usually, this is 1751 from your Lebara phone. Or you can dial a specific short code provided with your SIM pack. Follow the simple voice prompts to activate your service. After activation, your phone should connect to the Lebara network. You'll see the Lebara network name appear at the top of your screen. Now you're ready to start using your Lebara SIM. Lebara is known for its fantastic rates, especially for international calls, making it ideal for both residents and visitors. Keeping in touch with loved ones abroad, you can easily top up your account via the Lebara app, online, or at many local stores across the UK. So go ahead, enjoy affordable calls, texts, and data, and stay connected with Lebara. Welcome to effortless communication.